Okay, so this question is talking about distances and speeds. So the first thing we've got to recognise is speed is equal to distance divided by time. That's the formula connecting them. And we've got to think about the information we've been given. So this talks about miles and this talks about kilometres. So again, what we should excuse me, what we should recognise here is two different units. Therefore, we should be using a conversion. So one of the conversions we've got to remember is that 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometres. So we've got 480 kilometres for Dijon. So that's the one they want us to use. And we want to know how many miles that is. So we're basically going to have to think, well, how has 8 become 480? Well, we had to times by 60, so therefore we're going to have to times that by 60 as well. So 5 times 60 is 300. So we can see that the journey is a distance of 300 miles and we've got a speed of 50. And because we want the time, then we rearrange the formula to be times by time there, so divide by speed there. So it's going to be distance over the speed. And the distance was 300 miles and the speed was 50. So we see how many 50s are in 300. And we could see that is 6. Because we was doing a distance of miles and we were dividing by miles per hour, then the miles cancels each other out and the hours dividing fractions means the hours will come to the top, so the units will be 6 hours. So the answer here will be 6 hours. Again, key things to watch out for, guys, is that this has got miles, this has got kilometres, so there has to be a conversion, and this is one of those conversions that you have to remember. And then we can just simply write a little formula here, or a little rubric, sorry, and then we can work out the conversions to work out how many miles the journey was actually taking, and then go for the rearrangement of the speed formula.